In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com to WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these platforms, enabling more automated workflows and saving you time on your digital projects. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by creating a scenario in Make.com. Once you're on the Make.com website, you need to look for the option that says Create a New Scenario. This is your starting point for setting up the connection. You'll notice a plus button there. Go ahead and click on it. This plus button allows you to add apps to your scenario. In this case, you'll want to search for WordPress in the search bar. Once you see the WordPress app, click to select it and add it to your scenario. This step is crucial as it's the main connection between Make.com and your WordPress site. Now that you've added WordPress, it's time to choose a WordPress module that fits your needs. Make.com offers several popular modules for WordPress, each serving different purposes. For instance, if you're looking to publish a blog post automatically, the Create a Post module will be what you choose. If your goal is to edit articles, you would select the Update a Post module. Some other modules include Create a User for adding users automatically, Watch Posts to be triggered when posts change, and Upload Media for uploading images or files. If you're more into custom workflows and advanced options, the Make an API call might be your best choice. Select the module that best suits what you're aiming to achieve with your WordPress site. After choosing the right module, the next step is to create a connection to your WordPress site. You'll see an option named Create a Connection. Click on this to begin entering your WordPress credentials. You'll need to fill in the following fields: your WordPress site's URL, your admin username, and the application password. The website URL would typically be something like https yourdomain.com. Now, let's move over to WordPress to get an application password. Inside your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Users section and then go to your profile. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Application Passwords. In this section, you can enter a name for the application password. For this example, we'll use Make.com. After you've entered the name, click Add New Application Password. WordPress will then generate a secure password for you. Make sure to copy this generated password somewhere safe for the next step. Returning to Make.com, it's time to paste in the credentials. Enter your WordPress site's URL in the URL field. Use your WordPress admin username as the username, and finally, paste the application password you just copied into the password field. Once all the information is in, click Save. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now successfully connected to Make.com. You're all set to start integrating workflows and taking full advantage of what this powerful combination can offer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you've followed along, you're now equipped to automate tasks between Make.com and WordPress efficiently.